Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill with your February 2020 Double Shot Kit. The Double Shot Kit comes out every month, includes 2 brand new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So this is a perfect way to have new product coming into your studio each and every month with just a little bit at a time. This month's collections are Set Sail from Photoplay Paper and Love Notes from Doodlebug Design. So we have a Valentine's collection and a cruise collection. But you're going to see with the patterns, like on the B-sides, you can scrapbook a little bit of everything. So if you don't have Valentine's or cruises, you'll still be able to use these collections. So let's take a closer look at each one, starting with the Doodlebug. For the Love Notes collection, you're going to start with 2 sheets of stone cardstock and 1 sheet of lip gloss. Perfect match for this collection. Our pattern paper is this one called Sweethearts, which has all of the hearts with the different patterned papers. Super cute, so you could use it as it is. You could also fussy cut some of these for some embellishments. The back is a gray wood grain. This paper called Lover's Lane, which is a wide, bold stripe with all of the different colors in this collection. The back is a pink floral, tone on tone. This one's called Forever Plaid, and it's the plaid with the full color scheme. And the back are tickets in all of the rainbow colors. So again, you could cut those for a border strip, cut them individually for embellishments. Lots of ways to use the papers in this collection. So one more look at pattern paper. For the embellishments, you're going to receive 1/3 sheet of the kissing tags. So I love these because you can use these for embellishments. You could take a couple, make some cards, and the backs, if you don't care for the fronts, the backs are just these beautiful prints up here with the white tags. So you could do journaling on here, again, stamp a sentiment if you want to create cards with them, or just tuck them in for your cluster bases on your layouts. So super versatile piece of paper there. You're also going to receive 2 yards of twine, so there's gray and white twine. 1/5 a pack of the sprinkles, so these will vary, but I got the red ones. And then 1/5 a pack of the die cuts. So these will vary, but you'll see a good representation here. Lots of really cute icons in this collection. So I got some frames, a little viewfinder, cloud, heart, some music notes, a little cassette tape, gifts, cakes, and envelopes, a little border, cute little bird. So lots of sweet embellishments. So that is Love Notes from Doodlebug Design. Our next collection from Photoplay Paper is Set Sail. Again, this is a gorgeous collection. It's geared towards, of course, a cruise, but we're going to look at some other ways to use it. So you're going to receive 2 sheets of walnut cream cardstock, 1 sheet of robin's egg blue. Your first paper is called Happy Hour, which are the little coconut drinks with the little umbrellas on that dark navy blue. The back is a diagonal stripe in the red and that robin's egg blue. This one, called Sail Away, has a beautiful kind of leaf pattern in the back, and then all the different sail icons. So from the beach bag to the hat, the anchor, a little beach chair, your sunglasses. And the back is that robin's egg blue in a grid design. So you can already see these backgrounds are just good generic patterns that you could do anything with. This paper is called Anchors Away, and it's a 2-toned red with little anchors. And the back has the little rings, kind of like the little lifesavers on the red ropes. So again, the colors in this collection are just beautiful, and the designs are generic enough that you could use in any way. The embellishments is the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have this scalloped border down here, and then that same red rope with the little lifesavers or the rings. Some banners up here. So you can see these can be used for anything. We have suitcases, So even if you're not doing a cruise, but you're taking a vacation, then you can use those, sunglasses, all the different words, this beautiful frame here. So lots of ways that you could use this collection. So that is Set Sail from Photoplay Paper. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to check out the ScrapRoom store for the other kits available, as well as individual items that you can purchase. Join us over on the Facebook group and the blog for some challenges. Check out what the design team's creating, as well as your fellow subscribers. And thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.